Looking for the perfect kitchen chopper to make meal prep faster and easier? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best choppers for your kitchen, from powerful electric options to compact manual designs. If you love quick, hassle-free cooking, you're in the right place. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Fullstar Chopper for the Kitchen. The fullstar chopper for the kitchen is one of those tools that instantly makes cooking easier. This compact, versatile chopper is designed for anyone who wants consistent cuts without the hassle, whether you're a busy home cook, someone who loves healthy meal prep, or just tired of spending extra time chopping vegetables by hand. Right out of the box, the fullstar chopper looks clean and practical. It's lightweight but solid, with a sturdy container, sharp stainless steel blades, and a simple push-down mechanism that feels secure in your hands. There's no battery needed, no motor noise, and no complicated setup, just press, chop, and you're done. The compact design fits easily into small kitchens, apartments, offices, or even RVs, making it a great multi-use tool wherever you cook. Performance is where it really shines. The blades cut evenly, the container holds a good amount of ingredients, and the non-slip base keeps everything stable while you work. You can use it for onions, tomatoes, peppers, fruits, herbs, and even for quick salad or salsa prep. Cleanup is simple since the parts come apart easily and rinse quickly. Of course, there are a few inconveniences. Like any manual chopper, very hard vegetables require a little extra pressure, and you'll need to avoid overfilling to keep the cuts even. But overall, its strengths, versatility, build quality, ease of use, and consistent performance make it a standout tool in the kitchen. If you want a chopper that saves time and keeps cooking stress-free, the fullstar chopper is definitely worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 2. Mueller Chopper for Kitchen. The Mueller Chopper for Kitchen is a game-changer. It's designed for anyone who cooks at home, busy families, meal prep fans, students, RV travelers, or anyone who wants consistent chopping without the mess and effort. This tool is all about saving time and keeping your kitchen workflow smooth. Right out of the box, the Mueller chopper feels solid, compact, and well-built. The design is clean and practical, with a sturdy base that keeps it stable on your countertop. Even though it's compact, it offers a surprising amount of versatility. There's no battery or electricity needed, so it's always ready, whether you're in the kitchen, at the office preparing quick snacks, camping, or even traveling in an RV. The key feature here is performance. With its interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can chop, dice, slice, and julienne with consistent results every time. The container catches everything neatly, which means no scattered pieces, no watery eyes from onions, and no constant cleanup. The user experience feels smooth and efficient, especially for salads, stir-fries, tacos, soups, and everyday ingredient prep. The big benefits? Durability, speed, and convenience. It reduces kitchen mess, delivers even cuts, and makes prep work safer and more controlled. Cleaning it is simple too, the removable parts wash easily, and many users love that it fits into small spaces without clutter. Of course, there are a couple of inconveniences. Harder vegetables may require firmer pressure, and switching blades can add an extra step. But overall, the strengths far outweigh those minor drawbacks. If you want to upgrade your cooking routine with a tool that saves time and keeps prep stress-free, the Mueller chopper is absolutely worth a look. See the description for more details. Number 3. Chef-N Chopper for the Kitchen. The Chef-N Chopper is a must-have tool. Perfect for home cooks, busy parents, and anyone who loves quick, clean chopping, this chopper saves time and effort while delivering consistent results every time. Right out of the box, you'll notice its compact and sleek design. Lightweight but sturdy, it fits easily in drawers or countertops without taking up much space. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and the durable blades cut through vegetables, fruits, herbs, and even nuts with ease. One of the best things about the Chef-N Chopper is its versatility. You can use it at home for meal prep, in the office for quick lunches, or even bring it along for camping and travel. Its simple pull-cord mechanism doesn't require batteries, making it ready to go anytime. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Pros include its speed, convenience, and consistent results without the mess. You get perfectly chopped ingredients without watery eyes or uneven cuts. A minor inconvenience is that harder vegetables need a bit more effort to chop, but overall, the simplicity and durability make it a winner in any kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use chopper that makes cooking faster and more enjoyable, the Chef N chopper is a top choice. See the description for more details. Number 4. Zyliss chopper for the kitchen. The Zyliss chopper for kitchen is a gadget that can truly simplify your cooking routine. Perfect for home cooks, busy parents, or anyone who wants quick, hassle-free meal prep, this chopper makes slicing, dicing, and chopping faster and cleaner. Right out of the box, you'll notice its sleek and compact design. The durable build feels solid in your hands, and it's small enough to store in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. Its ergonomic handle and easy pull cord make chopping effortless, while the sharp, stainless steel blades ensure consistent results every time. Whether it's onions, herbs, nuts, or even harder vegetables, the Zyliss chopper handles it all with ease. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can use it at home, in an office kitchen, or even take it on a small trip for camping or outdoor cooking. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup quick and convenient. Its quiet operation is another bonus, no loud buzzing or distractions while prepping your meals. The main strength is how much time and effort it saves, giving you precise, even chopping in seconds. On the downside, you might need to pull a few extra times for larger or denser ingredients, but that's a minor trade-off for its overall efficiency. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use chopper that makes cooking faster and more enjoyable, the Zyliss chopper is worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 5. OXO chopper for kitchen. The OXO chopper for kitchen is a perfect choice. Designed for busy home cooks, small apartments, or anyone who wants quick and consistent chopping, it takes the hassle out of preparing ingredients for salads, soups, salsas, and more. The OXO chopper features a compact and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand and stores easily in any kitchen drawer. Its sturdy build and high-quality materials ensure durability, while the non-slip base keeps it steady on the counter. The chopper is simple to use, just press down on the top, and the sharp stainless steel blades quickly chop vegetables, fruits, nuts, or herbs with even results. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can use it for home cooking, meal prepping for the office, small outdoor gatherings, or even camping trips. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable parts that are dishwasher safe, making it convenient for everyday use. On the downside, harder vegetables may require a bit more force, and the bowl size limits how much you can chop at once. Still, its main strengths, durability, ease of use, and precise chopping make it a must-have for any kitchen. If you want a tool that saves time, reduces mess, and makes cooking more enjoyable, the OXO chopper is a reliable choice. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.